Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in sunny southern New Mexico. Nice and sunny and 66 degrees outside, so I figured it was a nice day to get off my butt. Nice Sunday, and come out here and do some more car work. Since I took the wrap off in like November, it's still got all the adhesive and stuff on it, and I recently washed the car, so I'm not really worried about getting some adhesive remover and starting to, so I'm gonna get some I got some adhesive remover, excuse me, so I'm gonna start to work on getting all that crap off the car. And then I actually bought some adhesive to finally rebadge the Scion, so that everybody knows that it's a Scion. So I got a little bucket of goodies here. I got me some 3M adhesive remover, yum, some JB Weld plastic bonder, some towels that are clean, a bucket because I needed a new bucket anyways, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cleaning the car off, and hopefully it works really well. I'm really excited. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so, hold on. Well, so far, it's doing a really bang up job getting all that crap off. Sorry, I'm using the tripod. Before, right here, it was all rough. There was adhesive everywhere. You know, it looked like this. You can see that white discoloration. And if you feel it, there's a texture on there. After using the adhesive remover, it's cleaned it off really nice. There's still a little bit on there, but it's not noticeable, and it's nice and polished looking. So I'm gonna keep working on it, and I'll give you guys an update here in a second. Okay, so along the fender, it was caked on really good, and it's not easy to come off, but it's not hard either. It's you gotta put a lot of muscle into it, and I'm out of shape. And it sucks. So if you have a wrap and you take it off yourself, do it the right way. Use the heat gun. Be patient with it. Just don't go out into the sun and say screw it. I'll pull that bitch off because this sucks. Yeah, about maybe 20 minutes, 10, 20, 15, 20 minutes. And there's already a night-and-day difference on this side. I think I'm actually pretty happy with the way this side turned out. It's nice and smooth now, ready for some polish. Get her all waxed up, you know. Just coming back to life, Let me check the other side real quick and see how bad that is. Okay, so the passenger side is not as bad, and I think it's because when I had the car parked, I had the passenger side on the, obviously on the right, but when I was taking the wrap off at the apartment complex, the driver's side hit the shade first, and the way the sun was setting, it was setting like over there. So this side kind of didn't really get that heat of the sun very well. So when I took the wrap off, I don't have to do this to the whole car because I was using the sun to heat it up so it would be easier to come off. And unfortunately, it was in like October, November time frame. And of course, it gets cold during that time. But luckily, the sun was able to bake most of the wrap to where the wrap would come off pretty easily. Maybe a little bit here still. A little bit there. Still not terrible though. What I want to do real quick though is I want to put the badge back on the front of the car. So what I want to do, I want to get that badge on the front real quick because it looks like shit. It doesn't look good at all. But like if you look down the side of the car right there, oh dude, it looks nice, polished, shiny. It looks like it's starting to get clean again. And along the bottom there's a lot of really messed up spots, but I'm not too worried about down there because it's not like car show season. I just wanted to get that off the back pretty badly because that was pretty noticeable and that was pretty shitty. This side, like I said, there's not so much, you can't even tell. I ran my hand along the top here, nothing, ran it down to here, and then right about here is where there's just a tiny bit, maybe like 2 minutes worth of work. I didn't see any on the bottom. The door definitely needs some love because this is just plastic, so I need to I need to work on the door handle like pretty bad. Not so bad here. Not so bad in a lot of spots. I do need to know, I need to figure out how to take the shark fin off so I can get the excess wrap out from under it. That's driving me insane. And then there's also a little bit tucked right here, but that doesn't bother me as much because it's kind of hidden away. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and learn how to use. Yeah, I don't have the proper tools, so I'll just use my fingers. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and get this ready to go. All right, guys, so what I went ahead and did real quick was I took some Plasti Dip and I touched up the Scion badge a little bit because I'm zoomed all the way out. But yeah, I touched up the Plasti Dip. I Plasti Dip to touch it up a little bit because there's a lot of chrome poking through it. It looked pretty chipped. And it looked kind of like shit. So now it looks kind of clean, nice. I'm gonna put it right here on this tire and let it dry out for a little bit. So once that's dry, I'll be right back. Gonna go ahead and install it. Figure out how to install it because I've never JB welded anything before and I've never done this. So yeah. If you haven't noticed, I'm not much of like a mechanic or car guy or anything, and I'm trying to learn, and that's the fun thing about this whole experience with having purchased this house and having a garage now is instead of paying somebody else to do things like new wheels, new clutch, new transmission, luckily I have a really good group of friends that if I call, they'll come over, you know. I couldn't have done this without Gary, Cody, or Bobby, all the way out in Vegas. You know who you are, Bobby. But yeah, these guys are great. Anthony, ever since I bought the car, he's been there helping me. Camera guy, you know what I mean? And for those of you that watch the videos and like them, it's pretty cool. Like, I think it's pretty cool. I just do this for fun. I don't think I'm ever gonna like be all crazy with it, but to go out and just meet the people that I have at the races or at meets, and they're like, "Hey, I know you. You're that YouTube guy," and I think that's actually pretty cool. And shout out to you guys, Mickey Mouse. You know, but I don't know. And then there's somebody on Twitter who used to follow me and subscribe to me during my Twitch days when I used to do video games. This one's for you, buddy. 21. I know you've asked for that for a while, and I haven't had a chance to do it because I've always been busy, but there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. It looks brand new. Just a couple layers of Plasti Dip, and boom, looking good. I'll be right back, guys, and thanks for watching up to this point. All right, guys, so it looks like it's dried up pretty good. Gonna go ahead and give this a shot. Excuse my belly rolls. All you pandas out there. Shout out. Big boys. Oh, look, it gave us a little stirring tool. Nice. Damn car's too fucking waxed. Whew. Oh, that's not good. Well, you know what pants are used for, right? Oh, actually, I'll just do this. Okay, so I honestly have no idea what the best way to do this is because I don't want to like goop it on there. So I'm gonna try to put it around the cymbal. Well, unfortunately I wasn't able to do everything that I wanted to do, and I'm sorry if you saw some ass crack. But while the plastic was drying on the tire, I went over here and I touched up, and I got the door handle really good. Still a little bit on there, but like I said, it's an improvement. So yeah, the car is coming together really nice. I did order something, should be here soon. Not soon, but in a while. Don't smoke, kids. But yeah, one of the reasons why I couldn't get the wheel to fit, I didn't even have to roll the fenders. The person that owned the car before me, and I didn't notice this, had spacers on it. And I honestly didn't even notice. Hold on one second. Sorry guys, I honestly don't know where I was, but if you enjoyed the upload, oh yeah, never mind. So yeah, the guy had spacers on it. We took those off and it fits. Good as new. I think they look great, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. I destroyed my hand trying to adjust coils, and buddy came over, said, hey, there's spacers on here, and we took them off and it fit. So there she is in all her glory. I think the next thing is the thing that I ordered, which is a surprise. I kind of ordered it, I rage ordered it, so I just spent a fuck ton of money because I was angry. Next thing I want to do are the headlights, the fog lights, and maybe a body kit. But for those of you who lasted this long and watched the video to the end, thank you so much. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe thingy. And if you want to go extra, turn on notifications because I upload like once a millennia, and but it's fun. It's just it's a hobby, and if anybody is out there and wants to start doing car shit on YouTube, I recommend doing it. You make lots of memories doing it, and if you upload it and you get no views, who cares? Because you can go back, and I've gone back and rewatched all my videos from beginning to end, and it's like, oh my god, I can't believe we did that. Or one of the earlier videos, Anthony ran across 3 lanes of highway, or 6 lanes of highway traffic to get water for my buddy's truck that overheated. And I mean, it's crazy. Just a lot of fun. If you guys are planning on doing it, do it. If you got a channel, drop it in the comments below. I mean, I'll check it out. Maybe somebody else will too. But like I said, you guys have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.